I think I'll put it on YouTube. Yes, let's do it. So my brownies are ready to eat. In general, I love yapping, and I thought, why not just use my free will and then post it on YouTube? So yeah, from today I will be a YouTube girly, and I'll start posting shit over there. And I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you all enjoy listening to me ranting basically. So, one second. Yes, so we are back to ranting. I didn't go to college today because I'm on my periods and I get really bad cramps. So I am at home taking rest. I slept throughout the day, so now I just took a shower. Your girly is clean, don't worry. And I'll go have my lunch. And maybe I'll bake something because I feel like eating something sweet again. Yesterday I felt the same thing, but my mom bought me pastries, so I ate that. But now, what now? The pastries are over. It's in my tummy. So I think I'll only go and bake something. I think, should I change this angle? Yeah, we'll change the angle. Okay, this feels much better. So I was wondering if I should make brownies or cheesecake because I have both the ingredients. But I think I'll go for brownies because I never tasted cheesecake. You know why? Because don't come upon me, but I feel like cheesecake has no taste because it just looks bland. I don't know. Maybe I should try it. So, if you all comment saying that I should make a cheesecake and then try it and then make a video of me making and trying it, then maybe I will. So, I'm craving for sweet. Let's just go make brownies. Everybody's sleeping in my house, so just make our brownies.
I think about your day and ask you how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have all this in the drive-thru? Order my food. Let's stay up all night. Let's pretend we're alright in the drive-thru. I'm in love with you. Now I know what I should do.
before that I took a nap, and then I was reading a book, and then I also had my dinner. So now brownie time. Dessert after dinner is the best thing, and my brownie is waiting for me. Let me show it to you guys. This looks perfect. Also, the book I was reading is called Dophehari. I borrowed it from my college library. Such a good story. It's short, but it's cute, and I loved it. And now coming back to our brownie, let's just taste that. I'm already so excited. It's so good, and the fact that I picked it makes it even better. Perfecto. And that's it for the day. Eat, drink, scroll, sleep. Thank you so much for watching. Good night, you all. See you in my next video.